Yeah. So today I gave my NPTA exam and I'm going to share you my experience, and I'm also going to tell you what things you should keep in your bag one day before the NPT and what you are going to expect on the exam day, and all these experiences my and related to my center. So first thing is that what required item for the NPTE and NPTA exam. The first required item is your primary identification. For me, it was my passport, but you have all other option also, like driving license, passport, or state identification card with photo. And the second identification card, your pre-printed name and signature on your credit card, ATM, and your school identification card. And all these things are also mentioned in your ATT letter. This is the ATT letter uh, through FCCPT, and they mention that we need the two identification, the primary and the secondary. The primary is the any one from this, the driving license, the passport, or state card with your photo, and the pre-printed signature and name. So usually your name is pre-printed on the credit card or ATM, and you need to sign your card, the backside of the backside of the card. Yeah. So these are the some things for the identification. And some information is also mentioned on their ATT letter. First is that ki arrive at the test center at least 30 minutes prior to your appointment. That is really a good advice, because if we are running late, then we are in so much tension. So arrive 30 minutes before check in, go to the washroom, change, wash your mouth, wash your face if you want, or do take some 2 3 deep breaths so that you are relaxed. Then that the resting score reporting and everything is after the exam, and unable to test, or if you for any reason if your test is void at the first section of the center, or anything happened between your section 2, or you by any reason you're not able to complete your exam, then you have option to reschedule your exam. The prometric center will guide you what to do. That not happened with me, but lots of my batchmates and lot of my friends said to me that their NPT exam void on the first question of the section. Some said the second section of the they are not able to complete the second section, so they have option to reschedule their exam. So these are the required identification IDs. After this, so these are my essential ki what I put on my NPTE for my NPT or NPTA. The first is the chocolate or whatever you want, that give you instant energy. You refresh your mind, and yes, these are my specs. And the water bottle, yes, you need a transparent water bottle. Nothing is mentioned or printed on your water bottle. And my small box, because I keep everything in my bag. And then and yes, the prometric center also give you the locker, so you can keep everything, the bag or mobile, your cell phone in the locker, and then you keep the water bottle, specs, and your identification item with you. Nothing, no item, drinking and any beverage not allowed inside the prometric center. So yeah, so this is my prometric center, 2265 Prometric Center, San Jose. It was in the San Jose, California state. And my exam was scheduled at 8:30. Oh, 8 o'clock, so not 8:30. And I reached the Prometric Center at 8 o'clock. Then I booked a cab. So this is my Prometric center. The cab driver dropped me in front of my center. Then this is the hallway of the center, the when you enter in the center. And the Prometric center is in the first floor. So you need to reach the first floor through stairs. I think they don't have a lift. I don't know. Because I am in hurry, so I use the stairs, and also I'm not able to see whether they have lift or not. So I don't know. They may have lift. So these are little about the Prometric centers. And if you want to know more about the Prometric center, so there is a video demonstration on the Prometric, and WebSys and FSBT also provide it on a link on your ATT letter. So this is whatever they are saying.
The more you know about what to expect, the more prepared you will be, the more comfortable you'll feel, and the better you'll perform.
This is a quite Prometric center like saying.
Sent by your test sponsor to make sure you're prepared with everything you will need in order to successfully take your exam, such as your government-issued identification and your test confirmation number. Before visiting Prometric on test day, please take time to familiarize yourself with our most up-to-date policies before you arrive by visiting prometric.com/COVID-19-up. Before visiting Prometric on
Yes, they also mentioned that the test confirmation number, you can use ATT letter. For me, they checked my passport, my primary and secondary ID. They have their own list in which every name of the candidate is mentioned in the list, so they verify and check. But you can also keep your ATT letter for the reference of test confirmation number, because some test center may require your confirmation letter or ATT or confirmation mail from the Prometric center. So you can keep all these third test confirmation number also with you. So primary ID, secondary ID, and your ATT letter or the email confirmation from the Prometric center. And next is this is same.
You will be greeted by a friendly Prometric Test Center administrator. The Test Center administrator will ask for your name and check your valid government-issued identification to confirm your identity.
And this video is uploaded at the Prometric center. You can go to their website. Don't go visit. The link is in link here in the in the Google search bar, and everything is mentioned. There is a lockers. They give you the locker. Everything is same. Whatever is in the video is exactly the same. They give you the locker. You put everything in the locker except your water bottle if you have, and your primary secondary ID, and your specs if you have any. And they give you a tray for your keys and everything. That after that they check the security.
Ears for Bluetooth devices and eyeglasses in order to ensure no prohibited items enter the testing area. Depending on the exam you are taking, there may be additional security procedures required, such as a test day photo or biometric data capture.
Yeah, and for NPT, you require to give the biometrics and
Fingerprint
photograph.
capture and scanning of ID information. You will also be provided with any approved materials required for your test, such as scratch paper and a pencil or erasable note boards. Once in the
Yeah, NPT also provided, or the Prometric center is provided as the scratch paper and the marker. And I think in FSBPT website also mentioned that we give the FSBT will give you some notes, and we don't take notes during our demonstration or instruction process. We'll take notes when our test gets started.
testing room. The administrator will escort you to your workstation and launch your test.
And yes, the workstation is exactly like the same, the computer, chairs, everything like that. And they also have headphone if you need headphone to eliminate the noise. So you can ask the person in the Prometric center. They will give you the headphone also.
Please be mindful of other candidates who are testing. If you have any questions during your exam or need to take a break, please raise your hand and a test center administrator will come over to personally assist you.
So this is little about the Prometric center. You see your video in detail. So this is all about the Prometric center. And there's one thing I personally experienced, or I think you should also do. There is NPTE exam demonstration at the FSBPT website. Yeah, here it is. There is, and when you log into your FSBT account, so there is a column prepare for the exam. So when you click on the prepare for the exam, then this will no. during exam. Yeah, NPT demo exam. Yeah, NPT demo exam. When you click on the NPT demonstration exam, then you have answer of this PTA and PT and start the demonstration test. So before going to the prometric or before going to the actual test, use this demonstration test. And they have the same like, okay, system check. Then you read the terms and condition, whatever they are mentioned attestation. And I just, this is the, there is a practice test. This is actual like an exam. And make sure that you will attempt for both PT and PTA exam, whichever is the mentioned. And tell you your answer. There is an answer book also, I think. Yeah, this is the answer, and tell you your answer with the demo NPT demonstration exam, so that you will able to pick up the incorrect one. So I think this is a very good, and this work for me. And this is really maybe a carbon copy, or maybe the mm, maybe the temporary version of your NPT exam. And exam is exactly like this. We have term and condition, and click click click, review and everything. Yeah. And yeah, so I also mentioned the link here, but you can also, you can directly access with your. No. So these this is the quite information about my NPTE experience. And maybe this is different for you also. So this is purely my experience, whatever I feel I shared. And if you have any other question, then let me know. Yeah, done.